The Vice Chiefs of the Indian Air Force, Indian Army and the Indian Navy took to the skies in Tejas aircraft during the ongoing Tarang Shakti exercise. Indian Air Force's Stranded Apache Helicopter in Ladakh has been dismantled, and 400 parts has been transported, and a specialized crane has now been deployed to lift the remaining airframe and engine from the site. A routine traffic check in West Delhi has led to the seizure of 500 sniper rifle bullets that was being transported on a motorcycle. The Indo-US Joint Army exercise has kicked off in Rajasthan. Adani Group has warned Bangladesh's new government that its backlog of overdue payments of $800 million for electricity has become unsustainable. Bengaluru-based Pravaig Dynamics has won the 9th iDEX Open Challenge for an electric tactical all-terrain vehicle for the Indian Army. Pakistani media has claimed that Pakistan Air Force has been tasked with developing software for the Turkish TFX 5th generation fighter jet program. Cochin Shipyard has launched 2 anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft for the Indian Navy. Ministry of Defence has signed a 26,000 crore rupees contract with Hindustan Aeronautics for the supply of 240 AL-31FP jet engines for Su-30 aircraft at a rate of 30 engines per year. CISF has issued a tender for the procurement of around 97.62 by 51 mm sniper rifles. The US Army is participating in the Indo-US Joint Army exercise with a contingent that includes Stryker infantry vehicles and the M142 HIMARS high-mobility artillery rocket system, and the deployment of both these systems marks a significant development, as the US is keen to sell these weapon systems to the Indian Army, and the exercise will provide an opportunity to the Indian Army to familiarize itself with these systems. The Lockheed Martin manufactured HIMARS is a truck-mounted mobile rocket launcher capable of carrying 6 missiles simultaneously, that has a maximum range of 480 kilometers. An Indian private sector firm is developing turbojet-powered loitering munitions for the Indian Army and Navy that are set to revolutionize long-range target neutralization with their ability to strike from distances ranging from 25 kilometers to 100 kilometers. These loitering munitions can be launched from unmanned aerial vehicles, providing flexibility and adaptability in various combat scenarios. These munitions can operate in swarms, overwhelming enemy defenses with their small size and numbers, making them difficult to detect and intercept. The DRDO is developing an air-launched glide munition that will have a deployable wing on the midsection, which would enable it to maneuver and glide through the atmosphere, and it will also have 4 actuated rear fins in an X configuration. The munition will not have its own propulsion system, and it will rely on the initial boost provided by the launch aircraft to achieve its desired trajectory and range, and it will be capable of striking hardened targets deep within enemy territory. India's S-5 SSBN will have a submerged displacement of a staggering 13,000 tons that will be powered by a revolutionary 190 megawatt pressurized light water nuclear reactor, and as per latest reports, the new design is complete, and it awaits funding clearance before construction of a land-based prototype can begin. It will offer not only increased power, but also improved efficiency and refinement, along with extended refueling interval of 10 years. Today's top 3 comments.